Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a game-changing topic for digital marketers and web developers around the globe: how to use AI to create high-converting landing pages. Whether you're in the USA, Kosovo, or anywhere in between, this guide is designed just for you. Imagine this: you've crafted what you believe is a perfect landing page, yet the conversions are just not happening. It's a common problem that many face, but what if there was a way to turn things around with minimal effort? Enter AI. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized digital marketing, bringing tools that can transform your landing pages from mediocre to outstanding. Let's explore how. First, understanding your audience is key. AI tools like predictive analytics can analyze your visitors' behavior. This means more personalized experiences and higher chances of conversion. Next, let's talk design. AI can automate A/B testing, allowing you to effortlessly experiment with different layouts. Imagine having a virtual assistant that continuously optimizes your page design in real time. Content is king, and AI knows it. With AI-powered writing assistants, you can generate compelling copy. These tools help ensure your message is clear, concise, and impactful. Now let's bring it all together. Using AI, you can integrate these elements seamlessly, creating a landing page that not only attracts but also converts. By leveraging AI, you're not just optimizing a page, you're enhancing the entire user experience. This is the future of digital marketing, and it's already at your fingertips. To sum up, AI provides a clear, actionable path to improving your landing pages. It simplifies the process, making it accessible for entrepreneurs and businesses of all sizes. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the power of AI in digital marketing. Until next time, keep innovating and stay ahead of the curve.